Hi guys, it's William. How you guys doing today? Today it's May 1st, 2022. I hope you guys had a great weekend. And as we entering a new week, let's see how can we expect from this market. As you can see, last week was one of the worst week in the market. They even compared to 2020 when the Dow Jones and all of the indexes, Bitcoin went down to a very very bad downtrend situation. So as you can see, yesterday we closed the month on Bitcoin. What we needed to be happen, we did not even get to that close. We needed Bitcoin to go above $45,600, but that didn't really happen. There were a lot of volatility, a lot of news, a lot of bad comment on cryptocurrency as we facing inflation, and there's a lot of people like who comes with a plan to fight inflation, especially big firms. Warren Buffett, he came around talking about his next plan, his next pick for to fight inflation, to grow his money and his clients. As you can see, this is the monthly chart for Bitcoin. As you can see, the last time Bitcoin did do a crossing, as you can see the green and the red line, those are moving average. The last time we did that, it didn't bring good news to Bitcoin. Bitcoin went down by a lot, even to 80% down. So we're doing the same thing. The only difference around that time when it did it, we didn't have that much investor, that much institution in Bitcoin. That's why it went down to 82%. But we might go down, but not by a lot because we have a lot of forces, a lot of support from a big investor. So um, we gotta do this crossing, but it's not gonna be easy. It even take a year if it's happening. So this week's coming, it's gotta be a volatile week. So we will see what that week will be bringing. But I think this week will be a week to buy Bitcoin. My advice is to buy in the top 10 of every asset class. Buy the top 10 stock like Apple, Amazon. As you can see, last week they did earning, everything went down. The same situation, the Dow Jones, the S&P 500, the Nasdaq, they're all in that situation where this week coming, it's gonna be wild. So as I'm taking a look at Bitcoin and the 1 week, you can see the 1 week last week it opened around $49,500. So right now we're trading on 38,400. So we need to close above that price for a green candle. But right now we only have like, let's say we have about like 8 hours or more to close the week. So we will have from yesterday to today, the 1 day chart, we'll have to close around we have to go up around, we have to have a candle around 5% something to close above that price, which is very impossible. As the week we entering the afternoon tonight, it's gonna get volatile. You see the market future will be very red. But I think the 1 week this week will, that's one thing that proved this week is not gonna be easy. As we crossing, it will be a death cross. We don't know where it's gonna hit up, but it will be a very volatile. So as you can see in the 4 hours, the 4 hours it's kind of bullish, but it'll have to go up by almost 5% for the 1 day for us to meet a green weekly candle. And as you can see, for the news for Bitcoin, we have a lot of people talking about Bitcoin. Some of them predict it will go down to 28,000. Some of them talk about a long term They say it's gonna hit $1 million in 8 years, which is 2030. And the worst of it, it's Warren Buffett. His chairman was talking about Bitcoin and even predicted Bitcoin is going down to zero. But these people, as you can see when I'm showing you the graph, you see Bitcoin is a very bad scenario where the 1 month is very bearish. So these people, they know this stuff. They know how to. They have people working with them who doing this graph, who's studying the graph, the sign stuff. They really see something coming, but they always choose the right moment to make you scared, to shake you out. When I say shake you out, it's like they're trying to get you off the market so they can buy more. So what I even noticed, like most of the people that I meet, like who was in the market, who was in crypto, was in Shiba, you will see that they will tell you, man, I lost a lot of money. I took the rest of it. That's one way they shake you out. They make you tired. They make you miserable. Um, they make you lose hope. So that's one thing. Like anybody who doesn't know what they're doing, they heard about Warren Buffett, one of the richest investor and oldest investor in the world, tell you Bitcoin's going down to zero. You'll be scared. So one thing, it just, if it goes to zero or $1, get more, because these people, they, I think, let's see, in the next year, he'll change his mind if he's still around. So that's one thing. I want you guys to not lose hope. Let's see other weeks. This is a week to buy your favorite stock. It will be very volatile. I hope you guys enjoy the weekend. Like, subscribe, and we'll do it together.